Hey guys, this is going to be the firing test of the WE-1911 MEU. I have a fully gassed and loaded magazine, 15 shots, fully gassed, ready to go. What I'm going to be shooting at is this pillow. Yeah, wear goggles if you're ever going to do this. I'm not going to wear mine because I can't find mine. As you saw there, 15 shots. Last shot, when the last shot exited the barrel, slide lock back. Let's see how many more shots it has. Okay, it usually has more shots than that, but fired all 15, and that's all I wanted in buying a pistol.